Hi, my name is Andreas. I would like to show you in this video about the very powerful functionality of linking and relinking within the CIR panel. I assume you've already have set up all your connections, you know how to navigate. If not, just click on the small icon with the information and you're directly linked to all of these videos. Let us go to linking and relinking. This is one of the most powerful functionalities within the panel. And I would love to show you that on my laptop. So let us switch over and I show you. Now, that's the most impressive area of the CIR panel. Let me show you and explain how link and relink works. To show you that, I've accessed my Dropbox. I have dozens of InDesign files already. Let me open that InDesign file here. What you see now is I've opened my InDesign file, and you have the typical situation that as this file is new, all my images display a broken link. Here in the links panel, you can see that there are 4 broken links with the used assets. That error always comes up when the high-res or the original file is not available on your local drive where you have opened the InDesign file. These local assets are needed if you want to work with that InDesign file and create high-res output as PDF. Let me close the panel and show you on how powerful the CIR panel will help you with that issue. Let us just click on the link symbol to access the link panel. As soon as you click on it, it will analyze the focused InDesign document, and you can see it's now searching for all the assets within that InDesign file. So what you see now is that it has searched for these assets within my Dropbox. So let us take a look at that image here, Lampen Unsplash, which comes from the Dropbox. That file is locally missing, and with the blue information you see, that file is available in the Dropbox already. Let us click on more details about that image. Now I get all the information about the image. I see the name, I see the path where it is, I see the modified date. I also see if that image is available local or if it is embedded. So we also can support embedding and linking. You immediately see the location of that image within the document, and this is especially helpful with large documents. You just need to click on the blue link and it will automatically bring you to that image within the InDesign document. This is very helpful with lots of images and lots of pages. You also see the URL link, so the system where it comes from, the unique ID of that asset and the version number of that asset. And you also immediately see if this is a placed high-res file or a placed low-res file. Below that, you get the information that within your Dropbox there are 3 different versions of that asset available. And the asset with the blue frame, this is identically to the asset which you are using within your InDesign document. It has the same size and the same date, which you can identify by the green symbols. And you can see the 2 older versions of that asset. And you get that information for all the assets which are in your InDesign document. So what can we do now to solve that issue with the relinking? That's very easy actually. The only thing you need to do is click on the blue button, select your local folder and click on the OK button. Now the CIR panel does its magic and it's automatically relinking all your Dropbox content and assets with the assets in your InDesign document. You see, there is a blue information down there which gives you the info that all 5 assets are relinked. So whenever you have a local asset, you can also upload that asset into your Dropbox. All of my files are now relinked to the Dropbox. Another nice functionality is if you want to add things to your Dropbox. If you have local images which are not in the Dropbox, it's very easy to add them. Let me go to my photos and let me drag that image into my InDesign document. If I'm running my link functionality again, and my link panel will immediately recognize that image as new and not available in the Dropbox. Here you see It identifies that image is locally available, but not in my Dropbox. Not matching asset found in Dropbox. It's really easy. Just go to the plus button, click on plus, click OK, and you will see that image will immediately upload it into the Dropbox and relinked. You can also select in which folder it should go. If I go to my folder navigation, there is the uploaded image. You see, it has added that image into my Dropbox. This is a very useful functionality. Imagine you get a new InDesign file with lots of pages and images which you never had in your asset management system. You open that in InDesign, push the upload button, and the InDesign file and all of its assets are automatically within your asset management system. This is very easy and very powerful. So let me show you another cool function. As you see, on page 1 we have that image with the black lamps, and you see that in my Dropbox there are 4 different versions: the black lamp, a gold one, a light one, and a bronze one. I now can just click on the one I like, and I would like to have that image now in all of my InDesign document changed. I select it, I go to my relinking button, I click OK, and the CIR panel will automatically change that image to the selected one. And imagine that works the same way in Adobe Premiere. So if you want to change something within Premiere projects, just click on it and it will be replacing it. Also, if you're connecting to a system which supports different rendition types, which would mean high-res images or low-res images, with just one click, you can change everything from low-res to high-res and vice versa. So, I hope that this gave you a good overview on what you can do with the Link and Relink panel. I think this is a really powerful functionality. And imagine, everything what I've showed you works in InDesign, in Illustrator, in Photoshop, and in Premiere. And we even try to get some of these functions into the Microsoft world. Let's see. So, if you have questions, just refer to the other videos we've already done. Just click on the small information icon and you get direct access to all of these videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.